New Snapdragon 8 Elite is claimed to be priced less than original octa-core version, providing a smooth, seamless gameplay experience. Qualcomm has silently rolled out a new version of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip with 7 cores. The new variant provides the same clock speeds as the standard Snapdragon 8 Elite. The smartphone manufacturers are likely to sport their handsets with this new 7-core Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset in the coming months. The new chip is featured with Prime and Performance cores in a 2+5 configuration. GadInsider has compiled all the details of the silently released Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset with 7 cores. Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite variant. The company listed a new variant of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset with part number SM87503AB on its website. This version has 7 CPU cores with 2 Prime cores clocked at up to 4.32 GHz and 5 Performance cores clocked at up to 3.53 GHz. This results that the new variant has 1 less Performance core compared to the original Snapdragon 8 Elite. It is built on a 3-nanometer fabrication process and sports the chipmaker's Snapdragon X85G modem RF system. The new Snapdragon 8 Elite is claimed to be priced less than the original octa-core version. Smartphone manufacturers are expected to use the new chipset as a more cost-effective option for their lower-volume flagships. However, Qualcomm has yet to officially reveal a lineup of original equipment manufacturers OEMs that will be the first to equip their smartphones with the new Snapdragon 8 Elite variant.